At Future Africa, we have a saying. We say, we invest in 2022 like we're in Silicon Valley of 1972. A big part of what we do here is inspiring people to believe that they can build. We didn't want you to just engineer a product, but actually to develop a product.
Africa is dedicated to finding entrepreneurs who are committed to building software and hardware that solves unique African problems, but not only that, solves world problems.
The entrepreneurs I've met here, usually they come up with very innovative business models because they understand the local need and the local market, and they come up with solutions that are specifically addressing the African market. And having their own innovative business model, as well as developing the capacity to develop the actual solution locally, makes a whole package that has way more potential to succeed.
You're going to do something innovative. That means the world has never, or your community has never seen it before. So you're going to make something that no one knows how to build.
The local entrepreneur's perspective on the local market and needs puts them in the best position to solve problems.
There are certain elements that it takes to build a business. The key thing is to survive. The number one killer of businesses is liquidity, lack of liquidity. It doesn't matter how great your idea is, it doesn't matter what else. Once you don't have cash, you're likely going to die. You will meet difficult times in your business, and your ability to pivot, your ability to look at the environment and determine what do I need to do to survive and move forward is very key. You need to say, what does your organization need? And if what works for you and what you can learn to do is not what your organization needs, you need to bring in more people that can do that.
Learn with other people doing what you want to do or similar things. Watch how they build a company.
As you grow as an organization, you also want to listen to what your team is saying.
The most important thing in startups are people and products. It's what you build and the people that you build it with.
Get a co-founder. Because you might be good at something. Get somebody who's complementary to you who is good at something else and work together on it.
You need to look for partners. There might be sometimes bigger firms that may have more insight, more inroads into that industry. And if you partner with them, they might be able to catalyze that growing faster than later.
We need to do better in exporting software and hardware innovation, which we're capable of, all over the world.
It's very important to create an enabling environment for these kind of entrepreneurs.
But I'm already seeing the seeds, not just the seeds, but the seedlings already growing here of this community. If you just keep it up, it's just going to keep growing and growing, which is wonderful to see, as long as everybody keeps giving back to the community.
And so I think that says something about the ecosystem that we already have here and how important it is to keep the ecosystem robust, growing, and have events like this. And so in the effort of doing things like doing, failing, and learning, I hope that we use events like this to be a little bit, get a little bit closer as an ecosystem.
Well, I would say thank you for everyone here. It's been inspiring from the moment we arrived here. Everybody has been so welcoming. And I think there is so much in Africa and so much to come in the future. We're so excited. And thank you again.